Antigen-antibody interactions in vitro. Systematic analysis of tests for antibodies to viruses reveal their reaction lines and open the way for gold and reference standard assays and adequate routine tests. This study compares 5 different laboratory tests used to detect antibodies against viruses, which help understand whether someone has been infected in the past. Antibodies are divided into 2 types: neutralizing, which can block viruses from causing infection, and non-neutralizing, which bind to the virus but don't stop it. The 5 tests reviewed detect these antibodies through different mechanisms. 1 test, the first-order virus neutralization test, is the most accurate for identifying neutralizing antibodies when done over 24 hours at body temperature. Another test, the virus aggregation test, is fast but not sensitive enough to be reliable. The complement-enriched neutralization test detects non-neutralizing antibodies with high sensitivity but is complex to perform. 2 versions of ELISA, a common antibody test, are also examined: the conventional ELISA, ideal for measuring non-neutralizing antibodies, and the blocking ELISA, which is highly sensitive, simple, and best for large-scale testing. Among all 3 tests, the first-order neutralization test, conventional ELISA, and blocking ELISA, are highlighted for their high accuracy. The findings are important for diagnosing infections like herpes virus and SARS-CoV-2, especially in cases where low antibody levels might be missed, such as in young individuals with maternal antibodies. Introduction. This study reviews how antibody tests can be used to detect viral infections and support disease control. Antibodies appear in the blood a few days after infection and can stay for life, especially the IgG type. Understanding how antibodies interact with viruses is essential for developing reliable tests. Early research wrongly assumed that antibody-virus reactions reached a balance and stopped quickly. But later studies showed that reactions continue over time and can be made more sensitive by adjusting test conditions like temperature and duration. 5 different tests are evaluated, each using unique ways antibodies react with viruses. These include 3 neutralization tests and 2 ELISA tests. Some tests are better for detecting antibodies that actually stop the virus, neutralizing antibodies, while others detect any antibody binding, even if it doesn't block infection. For routine or large-scale testing, especially in animals, blocking ELISAs and conventional ELISAs performed at body temperature over 24 hours are found to be the most practical and sensitive. Denmark successfully used these tests to help eliminate several viral diseases in livestock. The findings also challenge long-held views about antibody behavior, showing that under normal conditions, antibody binding is strong and irreversible, allowing test sensitivity to be adjusted for better detection. Conclusion. This study examined how 5 different antibody tests work to detect viral infections, each based on unique ways antibodies interact with viruses. It found that in 4 of these tests, the sensitivity can be adjusted and made very high by changing factors like time and temperature. The research highlights which test versions are best for accurate results. Some are ideal for routine use, while others serve as reference or gold standard methods. These insights help improve the reliability of virus testing, which is important for diagnosing infections and guiding effective disease control in both humans and animals. This important article is authored by the following scientists: Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel BP International to watch more videos in the fields of science, technology and medicine.